Welcome guys, today we're making pulled pork bao buns. They were so good, definitely approved in my household, but let me show you how I make it. All the ingredients will be listed down below as usual. So we have lemongrass, we've got star anise, we've got a diced onion, and then we've got 10 pieces of clove. Just had to count it to make sure. Then we've got a cup of soy sauce, light soy sauce actually. Then we've got 1.5 teaspoons of coriander seeds. Then we've got 1 tablespoon of Chinese size 5 spice, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. This would have been 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Honestly, don't need to put it, but it tasted good anyways. Then we also had 1.5 tablespoon of, 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil. Then we've got 1 tablespoon of honey. The honey makes it just a tad bit sweeter. If you really like your food sweet, I would recommend you add more. Mine was very balanced. Then we had 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Once you've done with all the ingredients, now it's time to blend this up. Just look at all that perfect emulsification. Make sure you put it directly into the bowl that you'll be using to cook, whether you're going to put it in the oven or you're going to boil it like I do. I did forget to mention that I put 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic and 1.5 cups of water. It should come to a boil, preferably a simmer. After 1.5 hours, that's what it would look like, and this is after 2.5 hours. I have a question for everyone. I know I'm very inconsistent with sharing content, the joys of being a mom and learning the world of content creation. What would you guys like to see me recreate? What would you guys like to see me taste for you guys? This is what it would look like after 3 hours of boiling, or braising I would say. The other thing I forgot to mention, or I should mention, is that my buns did not have an opening. So I had to use scissors to create a little pocket. But this worked out so much more better than actually having the pocket pre-made. Anyways, I think I should stop talking now. You guys get the gist. It is basically pulled pork with coriander, lemon juice, an onion, and that's it. Anyways guys, see you in the next video. Gosh guys, so I know it's been like a whole long time. Just made myself some bao buns. Never made them before, but I decided to test them out. Let's put some drizzle on, some extra flavor. Ooh. They're actually very nice.